Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the new Kohana Island quest and the NPC locations in Fish 8 Roblox. So the Kohana Island just got a new expansion which include new quests and also new area which is the laboratory. And in here, I'm going to show you the NPC location so that you can start the quest. So there are two new NPCs in here. The first one, you can easily spot it here at the front of the Kohana Island near the fish merchant. You can see there are Phil and Bill, but if you want to start the quest, you need to talk to Bill. In here, you just need to click on who are you guys in here, and then you can just here click on this one. So a weird laboratory has popped up on the island. You can just catch a few fish from that area to start the quest in here. So there will be this new quest called a rumor. So to finish the quest, you need to catch fish in the new laboratory area, and after that you can go back to speak with Bill to hear the rumor. So the laboratory is at the top. You can just go to the stairs in here and you'll see the laboratory at the top, which is also the location of the second NPC. This is the new NPC in here. You can just climb the stairs to see the location. To see the laboratory, and also there will be this. Okay, so this one in here, the Scientist Gemson. You can start the new quest called Sample Collection. This one, so you need to collect 10 samples around the Kohana Island to complete the quest. And there's also this new NPC actually inside the laboratory, but there is no quest in here. So that's all for me. That's the new location, the new NPC locations in the Kohana Island. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.